How to save view one's photos and videos on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Click on the chat from where you want to save. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, you will find different options pop up. Click on Export Chat. After you've clicked on it, simply click on Drive in here. Now, upload it to your drive. After that, you will find the pictures in here, and from there you can save. Another way what you can do is simply go back to the WhatsApp's home page. And there, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find different options. Click on Settings. After you click on Settings, scroll down and click on Storage and Data. In Storage and Data, you'll find different options. Click on Manage Storage at the top. After you click on Manage Storage at the top, at the bottom, click on the chat from which you want to save. You'll find all the pictures. You can click on it and save it. This is how to save view one's photos and videos on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.